First things first, let's define PMI. So commonly people call it PMI, not knowing exactly what it stands for, which is private mortgage insurance. Private mortgage insurance is an insurance policy that protects your lender in the event you stop making your monthly payments. Now, this insurance does not help you at all specifically. If you stop making your monthly payments, you will still be subject to foreclosure or impacts to your credit report in a negative way, which we obviously don't want. In a conventional loan, you will generally be required to pay PMI if your down payment is less than 20% of what the home appraises for or the purchase price. For example, if you are under contract to buy a house for $100,000, let's assume that it appraises for $100,000. And if you put down less than $20,000, your lender will require you to pay PMI, and that becomes part of your overall total monthly payment. If you want to know exactly what portion of your payment consists of PMI, you can see that on your closing disclosure or your monthly mortgage statement if you've already closed. This expense typically comes out to be anywhere between 0.58% to 1.86% of your loan amount, and it's really determined based off of things like credit score, well, how much of your down payment, what percentage that looks like. So what's the silver lining? PMI isn't forever. At 78% loan to value, it drops off automatically without you having to do anything. And at 80% loan to value, you can request that removal after an appraisal has been done that's been updated. So for example, let's use the $100,000 from before. Once you have paid your loan down to less than $80,000, which would be 80% loan to value, you will be eligible to drop PMI from your monthly payment. You're going to be excited when this day comes because your payment will become lower, and that's going to save you money every single month. If you have a loan that's anything other than conventional, then there's a little bit different rules that come into play when it comes to PMI. And in fact, there are actually some products out there that don't require PMI at all. So make sure you talk to us about your options. Subscribe to learn more facts you didn't know about the home buying process, or reach out to us to find out exactly how PMI might affect your monthly mortgage payment.